The words of Rumi, A Timeless Journey. Jalal ad-Din Muhammad Rumi, or Rumi as he is fondly known, was a 13th century Persian poet, scholar and Sufi mystic. His words continue to resonate across centuries and cultures. Rumi's poetry speaks of a love so profound, so all-encompassing that it transcends the boundaries of language and time. Through his ghazals, rhythmic verses filled with metaphors and symbolism, Rumi invites us on a journey into the depths of the human heart. He guides us towards a place of spiritual awakening and divine connection. Rumi's life and work were deeply intertwined with the Sufi tradition of Islam. Sufism emphasizes an inward journey towards the divine. It seeks a direct and personal experience of God's love. Rumi's poetry beautifully articulates this mystical path. It offers glimpses into the ecstatic states of union with the beloved, a term often used to represent the divine. His words are not merely philosophical musings, they are passionate expressions of a soul intoxicated by the love of the divine. A love beyond measure, unveiling Ghazal number 1383, Ghazal No. 1383 from Rumi's renowned collection, the Divan of Shams, stands as a testament to the transformative power of divine love. It speaks of a joy that springs from within, a joy independent of external circumstances. Rumi masterfully paints a picture of spiritual ecstasy. He uses vivid imagery and evocative language to convey the depth of his experience. The Ghazal is a celebration of the soul's journey towards its ultimate union with the divine beloved. The Ghazal opens with the poet's heart overflowing with joy. He attributes this overwhelming happiness to the radiant presence of his beloved. Rumi does not explicitly define the beloved's identity. This allows readers to find their own personal connection to the poem's message. The beloved could be interpreted as a spiritual guide, a higher power, or even a representation of one's own true self. This ambiguity is intentional. It emphasizes the universality of Rumi's message of love and spiritual awakening. The moon's embrace. Metaphors of divine radiance. Rumi employs the metaphor of the beloved's face as a full moon. He compares their presence to a bright candle. These celestial images evoke a sense of awe and wonder. The moon, a symbol of illumination in the darkness, represents the divine light that guides and nourishes the soul. The candle, with its flickering flame, symbolizes the ephemeral nature of the material world in contrast to the eternal nature of the spirit. Through these metaphors, Rumi suggests that the beloved's presence brings clarity and joy. This joy dispels the darkness of ignorance and doubt. The poet's heart, bathed in the radiance of divine love, experiences a profound sense of peace and fulfillment. The imagery used in this ghazal is not merely decorative, it serves to deepen our understanding of the spiritual connection Rumi is describing. By using relatable images like the moon and candle, Rumi makes the abstract concept of divine love more accessible and tangible. Unwavering joy, a fountain within. One of the central themes of Ghazal No. 1383 is the idea that true joy is not dependent on external circumstances. Rumi asserts that his heart is drunk with joy regardless of whether the tavern is open or closed. This metaphor highlights the internal nature of true happiness. The tavern, representing the material world and its fleeting pleasures, becomes inconsequential in the face of the soul's connection with the divine. Rumi challenges the conventional notion that happiness is derived from external factors such as wealth, possessions, or social status. He suggests that true joy springs from within. It is cultivated through a deep and abiding connection with the divine. This inner joy is unwavering. It remains constant even when faced with the inevitable challenges and uncertainties of life. Rumi's message offers a profound sense of hope and resilience, reminding us that we possess the power to access this inner wellspring of joy regardless of our external circumstances. Breaking free. The six-doored monastery. Rumi further emphasizes the need to transcend the limitations of the physical world through the metaphor of the six-doored monastery. The six doors represent the five senses and the mind. These are the avenues through which we perceive and interact with the external world. Rumi suggests that by becoming overly attached to sensory experiences and mental constructs, we limit our capacity to experience the boundless nature of the divine. The Ghazal's call to break free from this six-doored monastery is a call to transcend the limitations of our ego-driven perceptions. It is an invitation to step into a space of pure awareness. Here we can experience the interconnectedness of all things. Rumi encourages us to look beyond the confines of our physical senses and mental chatter. He wants us to access a deeper reality where we can directly experience the divine presence that permeates all of existence. Transformation through love, a soul set ablaze. The encounter with the beloved is not merely a source of joy and liberation in Rumi's poetry, it is also a transformative experience. The poet describes his soul as being set ablaze by the beloved's love. This fiery imagery conveys the intensity and passion of this spiritual connection. It speaks to the alchemical process of purification and refinement that the soul undergoes on its journey towards the divine. The fire of divine love consumes the ego's illusions and purifies the heart, leaving behind a space for genuine love, compassion and wisdom to flourish. Rumi's use of the word ablaze suggests a complete and utter surrender to the transformative power of love. It is a state of being consumed by the divine presence, where the individual ego dissolves into the vastness of the beloved's embrace. Rumi's enduring legacy, a guide for modern seekers. Rumi's poetry, while rooted in the Sufi tradition, holds a universal appeal that transcends cultural and religious boundaries. His timeless insights into the nature of love, loss, and the human condition continue to resonate with readers from all walks of life. In our modern world, where many seek meaning and connection amidst the complexities of life, Rumi's words offer a source of solace, inspiration, and guidance. His ghazals remind us of the transformative power of love, the importance of cultivating inner joy, and the need to look beyond the limitations of our ego-driven perceptions. Rumi's poetry encourages us to embark on our own inner journeys of self-discovery and spiritual awakening. His words serve as a beacon, guiding us towards a deeper understanding of ourselves and the interconnectedness of all things. Finding the divine within. Rumi's call to action. Ghazal number 1383 is not merely a beautiful piece of poetry, it is a call to action. Rumi invites us to step out of the confines of our limited perceptions and embrace the transformative power of divine love. He encourages us to cultivate an inner joy that is independent of external circumstances. He wants us to recognize the divine spark that resides within each of us. Rumi's ghazal is a reminder that the journey towards spiritual awakening is not a passive one. It requires active engagement, a willingness to confront our shadows, and a deep yearning for union with the divine. His words serve as a constant source of encouragement, reminding us that we are not alone on this path. The divine beloved is always present, waiting to embrace us with open arms. The universal language of love connecting through Rumi. Rumi's poetry has the extraordinary ability to connect people from all walks of life. His words transcend cultural and linguistic barriers, speaking directly to the heart of the human experience. In a world often divided by differences, Rumi's message of love, unity and compassion serves as a powerful antidote to fear and separation. Through his ghazals, Rumi reminds us of our shared humanity. He emphasizes the interconnectedness of all beings. His poetry creates a space for dialogue and understanding, fostering a sense of community and belonging that transcends geographical boundaries. Rumi's legacy is a testament to the power of words to heal, inspire, and unite. Beyond words, experiencing the mystical beauty of Rumi. While Rumi's poetry is undeniably beautiful and insightful, it is important to remember that his words are merely pointers to a deeper truth. They are invitations to experience the divine love and transcendent joy that he describes firsthand. Rumi himself acknowledged the limitations of language, stating that silence is the language of God, all else is poor translation. Therefore, the true beauty of Rumi's work lies not only in the words themselves, but also in the spaces between them. It lies in the silence that invites us to look within, to connect with the divine spark that resides within our own hearts. Ultimately, Rumi's greatest gift is his ability to guide us beyond the realm of words and into the realm of direct experience, where the mystical beauty of the divine unfolds in its own time and in its own way.